Hey friends, welcome back again to my cooking video. Today I am back with another delicious recipe that I'm sure everybody would like to learn how to make. I'll be making this very popular Gizzard Dodo. I mean, who doesn't like plantains? So Giz Dodo for short is made mainly from a combination of ripe plantain and chicken or turkey gizzard, and can be a very good complement for dishes like white rice, boiled or fried yam, potatoes, or any other complementary dish at all. And of course, you could also eat it as a meal on its own. Let me quickly teach you how to make this jaw-dropping, mouth-watering, healthy recipe. Here are all the ingredients you will be needing. Some diced red, yellow, and green bell pepper, some sliced onions, red habanero pepper, diced tomatoes, some chicken or turkey gizzard, some salt to taste, seasoning cubes, some curry powder and nutmeg, some blended chili pepper, and of course some ripe plantain. So first thing is to cut the gizzard into smaller sizes. For this chicken size, I would cut it into 3 to 4 parts so that it cooks faster and also to be a bite size. I would wash it again and transfer it into a pot. Now I would go in with the red habanero pepper, then the grounded chili pepper, some powdered nutmeg and curry, 1 seasoning cube, and some salt to taste, about that much. Then add the sliced onions into the mix. Now I would mix the ingredients very well before I then pour in some water, just a little quantity because I want the water to dry up so that it retains the taste of the seasoning in the gizzard. You don't want all the taste to get lost in the stock. I'll put this on the cooker and cook for about 5 minutes, depending on when you feel like the gizzard is well cooked. And while our gizzard is cooking, I'll go ahead and cut the plantain into cubes. I eat a lot of vegetables, so that's why I cut this much vegetables for this little plantain. You can feel free to add as much plantains as you like, but make sure that it's proportionate to the gizzard. Anyways, so now I would go back to the cooking gizzard. The water is drying but haven't dried entirely, so I would need to give it more time to dry up, like another 1 minute. So now the water has dried up. I'll take this down and then heat up another pot for frying the gizzard and plantain. I'll be reusing this oil that I have used to fry turkey before because I can't possibly pour it away, right? Now I will transfer the cooked gizzard into the heated oil and fry for about 5 minutes until it browns out. I would now sieve out the gizzard into a plate and then go in with the diced plantain and fry until it browns out. And then sieve it out into the gizzard. Don't even worry about sieving out this burnt-like stuff. It's the fried ingredients from the gizzard and it will add more taste to our sauce. Now I would add the chopped tomatoes and saute for about 5 minutes. And while at that, I would add the little remaining stock from our cooked gizzard so that it doesn't go to waste. After some time, I would now add the red bell pepper, the yellow bell pepper, and the green bell pepper and saute for another 30 seconds because we want to retain the crunchiness of the vegetables. This is very important. Then finally we add back the dodo and fried gizzard and mix everything very well. And then cover it to steam up for another 30 seconds. And that's how you make this delicious, super appetizing gizzard dodo. You can now serve with your favorite dish or complements like white rice, jollof rice, boiled yam, boiled potatoes, or even agege bread. Thanks a lot for watching my video again, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you find this very helpful. Stay blessed, guys. Until next time.